Silverhook Gold Petrol Treatment and Injector Cleaner is an advanced formulation containing CE+ patented technology designed to reduce CO2 emissions. Its corrosion protection properties increase engine durability, leading to longer life of the fuel system. It consists of a blend of kerosene and KeroPure 3874, a detergent effective at removing existing deposits and preventing the formation of new ones. Unlike conventional detergents, this will also clean your suction pipes, intake valves and carburettors in addition to the injectors. It contains a highly effective corrosion inhibitor to protect vehicle fuel systems. The demulsifier ensures optimal separation of the fuel and water phases within the fuel tank. It also contains a potent friction modifier to reduce internal engine friction and increase fuel savings. Regular use will maintain peak engine performance, smooth idling and eliminate tough starts. One 325 ml bottle treats 50 to 70 litres of fuel. This is suitable for all petrol engines including 2-stroke. For more information, visit www.silverhook.co.uk or contact us directly.